Electric throttle, general data. Who invented it? Robert Anderson. However, it is the Scottish entrepreneur and casement Robert Anderson, who is often referred to as the father of the electric automobile. Between 1832 and 1839, he worked on a present prototype offering an evolution of a traditional coach powered by electric cells. The reason the electric car not only reduced consumption on fossil fuels and emission in the transport sector, due to the greater energy efficiency of this technology. How does it work? They run on electricity supplied by rechargeable batteries. How was the world changed? Energy efficiency, aids and maintenance, and above all pollution, that will them a reality. What has been the common use? Electric cars are not only less pollutant from the point of view of the so-called greenhouse gases. How long has it been around? In 1888, 125 years. How is the manufacture? It consists of a power socket, an onboard charger, battery pack, a power converter, and transmission. Almost always a simple hair, a motor control unit, and finally, one or more electric controls.
The Romy Boot. The plan for now is next year a first edition of Romy Boot will be launched with 1,000 copies. This robot is the result of disciplinary work between experts in humanoid robots and specialists in hardware and software. The hardware part is constituted by a Raspberry Pi and programmed with C language. An important aspect of this Romy bot is that it has free software, so that both users and developers can offer service through its platform. An API was developed for this in the words of Luevano Ibarra. Romy Boot was born with a use case. Romy Boot was born with a used focus on home control. However, we look for our platform to have the ability to be implemented by other developers to incorporate new features. Users can link to strengthen the system under an open exchange and monetize, expand the business models that they can have. It is the truth that the Internet of Things had appeared before in refrigerators or washing machines, but now we have an example made in Mexico of the technology can be applied in our homes with the aim for making them much more efficient.
Who created it? The main father of the web was the British physicist Sir Tim Berners-Lee on May 12, 1989. Reason: it was created to be able to communication networks. How does it work? We define the Internet as a network of millions of computers that constantly exchange data between them. All of these communicate because they are linked through fiber optic connections. In order to establish communication between them, they use something called the TCP protocol. They are standards that indicate how the information must travel. How has the world changed? The internet has made everything change. Because of practicality and usefulness, it has made everything easier. What do you use it? There is a worldwide network that you can access everywhere to play, communicate, among other things. How long does it exist? Since May 12, 1989. How is it made? It is made up of networks of computers interconnected with each other, communicate and distribute through the world to provide connection to the network. Future plans, new artificial intelligence and greater realism in this world. Interesting facts. Thanks to it, you can play with other people, talk, investigate from home, among other things.